Amigola ya bichidi Igbo.
Agbechidi efege hi ijekele meningi o opi bi where zizi when
Amigola ya bichidi.
Agbechidi efege
What is 1 million? $1 million is what? Sorry, can you say that louder? Dairy. Yeah. 1 million. Is that Hausa or Igbo? Please, I did not ask you in Hausa, in Igbo, 1 million.
I don't know.
Please start.
A, B, C, D, F, G,
Sorry, what?
F,
A, what?
B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J.
Sorry, madam. There's E in Igbo alphabet. What is E?
E, F, G, H, I, J.
You're right. You're getting it. Well, recite the Igbo alphabet.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W.
Numbers in Igbo language.
Otu, abụọ, ịtọ, ịnọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri na abụọ, iri na ịtọ.
Okay. What is 1,000?
Holy Ghost fire. Okay.
No expo. What is 1 million?
Jesus.
30 billion for my account here. What is 1 billion?
Okay. Nare. Nde.
Okay, what is 100?
Nare.
No, 100 is nare. 1 million is...
Nde. Okay. Nde naira.
What is 1 billion?
Puku nde.
Puku is 1,000.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Please, can you recite the Igbo alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, H, N, D. That's the only one I can say.
So, what was the last thing you said?
Chi. Is the last.
What is the last alphabet in Igbo language?
I think Z is the last alphabet.
How do you say it in Igbo?
Z.
Z. Very good. Okay. Do you know how to say numbers in Igbo?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 1,000 in Igbo?
Otupuku.
What is 1 million?
1 million. Puku.
Puku. Puku should be 10,000. Iri 10. Puku. Puku. Okay. What is 1 billion? You want to be a billionaire? What is 1 billion?
In Igbo language.
In Igbo language.
The same thing. I cannot say this one. 1 billion. I don't think I know this one.
You don't know this one?
I don't think I know it. I don't think.
What is, okay, count 1 to 10 in Igbo.
Ofum, Ebwa, Ato, Ano, Ise, Isi, Asa, Asato, Itenani, Iri.
Good. Thank you very much.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, B, Z. That's the best I can do, I'm sorry.
Are you Igbo?
Yes.
Can you say the alphabets in English?
Ha. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, W.
But are you English though? So why can't you say it in Igbo?
Okay, so the problem is that in school, I was taught English more than I was taught Igbo.
Okay, do you know the Igbo numbers?
Yes.
What is 1,000 in Igbo?
Puku?
What is 1 billion?
Ha! I don't know 1 billion.
What is phone in Igbo?
A 20.
What is bike?
Okada. About putu putu.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you for your time. Please, do you know your Igbo? Can you speak Igbo very well?
Man, try if you can speak English.
Okay. Can you say the Igbo alphabet for me, please?
A, B, C, D, F, G, B. That's the only way.
Okay. What is the second to last alphabet in Igbo language?
Why?
That's English.
That's article.
How will you say it in Igbo? Y and Z. How will you say it in Igbo?
Z.
Okay, that was good. Okay, do you know numbers in Igbo language?
Yeah, man, try if you can.
Okay, what is 1,000?
1,000 go otupuku.
What is 1 million?
Denari.
What is 1 billion?
1 billion. That's a denyare.
Ndenyare. What do you say? Ndenyare.
Denyare.
Is Nyari Igbo or Hausa?
Na mazi bunkawo.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. Thank you.